LAKEWOOD P-223 vintage or older box fan. Alright, everyone, today we're taking a look at this LAKEWOOD P-223 box fan with the model number of you probably can't see in there. Let me move this real quick, see if I can get it so you guys can see the tags in there real quick. They're right there. LAKEWOOD AC 120 volt 60 hertz 2.7 amps, manufactured by LAKEWOOD Engineers MFG Co., Chicago, Illinois 6612. Listed UL 196M. I can't get that thing. So I bought this at a flea market at the swap meet thingy for $5. So it's in pretty good condition. I haven't cleaned the back off on it yet. Maybe we can see the labels through there, but I doubt that we'll be able to. There's the motor right there. There's a weird box fan, random one, but as you can tell, it's in pretty decent shape. It's really nice. Let's go ahead and turn it on real quick. There's the highest setting. And medium. Moves quite a lot of air. And low. This fan replaced first that one, then this one, which is a fan that I never actually ended up doing a video on, but I will. It moves a little bit more air, definitely, but I need to do a video on that too. But so LAKEWOOD P-223 box fan from, I don't know, probably the 70s or something, I don't know. But it's an older style one, so I bought it, and we'll be looking at that soon. So, here we go. Thank you for watching, everyone, and have a great day. Let's watch it slow down from high. Five blade. The only damage on the blade, and I don't know if this is supposed to be like that, is that right there. Thank you for watching. And what's really nice about this is it says oil right there where you're supposed to put the oil in. Alright, thank you for watching and have a great day.